Hi, my name is Tara Joy. Today I will show you how to create your own skin healing serum. Here you see that I am grouping the copaiba, lavender, and frankincense oils together because we will use 20 drops each of those, while the rose oil we will use 10 drops. The carrier oils are jojoba and grapeseed oil. We will use 1/4 teaspoon of witch hazel to emulsify our serum. Copaiba oil brings pain relief of joints and aches and arthritis. It's anti-inflammatory and it promotes wound healing. Frankincense is a powerful astringent. It lessens age spots and scars and stretch marks. It reduces the appearance of wrinkles and it treats dry skin. Lavender is a skin healer. It gently moisturizes the skin. It's antibacterial. It reduces wrinkles. It improves both hair health and skin health. Jojoba oil is healing for the skin. It reduces acne, wrinkles, psoriasis, eczema. It's anti-inflammatory. It calms and moisturizes the skin and protects it. It contains vitamin E and B complex. Grapeseed oil can reduce inflammation. It moisturizes the skin. You can use it to remove makeup. It tightens the pores, lightens the skin. It's a source of vitamin E and omega-6 fatty acids. It can be used on both the hair and the skin. Witch hazel relieves inflammation, tightens pores, it calms razor bumps. In this recipe, we are using it as an emulsifier. In this recipe, we will use a 2-ounce or 60 milliliter glass bottle with a dropper. Both the jojoba oil and the grapeseed oil were applied half and half, and I left room for the witch hazel. Once the ingredients are in our bottle, put the lid on tight. We can see the difference between the finished and not. We need to suss. That's tapping it on our palm. At first there will be larger bubbles, and the more we suss, the smaller the bubbles get, until finally it's a cloudy liquid, just like the first one. Use our serum. We take out 3 drops. Place it in the palm of your hand. Dipping your finger into it and patting it gently around your face where you want to apply the serum, and then very gently wipe that over your skin. Do not press hard, just nice, gentle, uplifting movements all around the face. Don't forget the chin, forehead, and décolleté. Happy healing, and thank you for watching.